Oh, brr. Whew. Okay, what do you think about this freezing weather, huh? What do you got? Oh, you've been cuddling by the heat place? How about you? Have they been letting you cuddle too? Oh, no? Well, then what have you been doing? How are you staying warm? Oh, you're a chicken? You can stay warm by yourself? Okay. Well, okay, I heard you. I know. I know. Are you sneezing? What is that? Ka-choo! Ka-choo! Oh. Oh. What's going on? What's going on? Achoo! You got something stuck? Were you eating too fast? Were you eating too fast? Oh, well, what? What is that? What is that? Slow down. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't know how you do it. You're pretty amazing. Yeah, you are pretty amazing. Oh gosh, I gotta go get Sagers. Being annoying.